Hey guys, we have 5 squared minus 3 times 2. Okay, 5 minus 3, right, equals 2 squared, right, times 2. Now 2 squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4, right? 2 squared means equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2. Now 4 times 2, and 4 times 2 equals 8, right? But this is wrong. Why? Exponents first, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Now let's solve it correctly. Okay. 5 squared equals 5 times 5 equals 25, right? 25 minus 3 times 2. Now multiply first. 25 minus 3 times 2 equals 6. Now 25 minus 6 equals 19.